day, everyone, especially to our instructor, Cecilio Bay. Today, I will be representing 10 unfamiliar words for me. The first one is discombobulated, confused or disoriented, thrown into disorder. For example, after the car accident, I was discombobulated and didn't know what to do. This discombobulated is something that is naguguluhan or nalilito karang natalanta ka, di na ka makibag usay mong buhaton. That is discombobulated. The second one is egregious, an adjective outstandingly bad or shocking. For example, is the company egregious safety violation resulted in massive fine. Egregious Tagalog is malubha or grabe. So example, so the company egregious safety violation resulted in massive fine. So dani gibutang ang violation sa company is grabe na or malubha ang ilang violation. That's egregious. The third one is desiccated, an adjective dried out or lacking moisture. For example, is the desert landscape was desiccated, devoid of any vegetation. Desiccated is dry or uga. That is desiccated. And the fourth one is the inimical, hostile or unfriendly, tending to harm. For example, is the company new policy was cynical to the interest of its employees. In Tagalog, inimical is mapanganib. So, sa example is the company's new policy was inimical to interest of employees. So, kaning company policy is mapanganib sa interest sa employees. That's inimical. And fifth is lassitude, a state of physical or mental awareness or lack of energy. In Tagalog, lassitude is fatigue or tired or kanang gikapoy ka. And for example, after a long day of work, I was overcome with lassitude and decided to go to bed early. That's This is misanthrope, a person who dislikes humankind and avoids human society. For example, the old misanthrope lived as a recluse, shunning all contact with others. In Tagalog, misanthrope is people hater or people who don't want to socialize with other person. That misanthrope. And seven is pristine or pristine, perfectly clean and spotless, completely free from dirt or pollution. For example, is the pristine beach was untouched of human activity. So, put pasabot ali, ang pristine is kanang hinlo, perfectly clean, kanang wa bitaw siya ma way kay makita nga mga basura o mga sagbot sa lugar. Mo na gipasabot sa pristine. And the eighth one is sanguine or optimistic or confident or cheerful. For example, is despite the challenges ahead, she remains sanguine about the future. So, ang sanguine is kanang you have a lack of confidence despite of kanang bisag dahan challenges, confidence sa imong kaugalingon nga kaya nimo nga ganahon na kasi imong future. That's sanguine. And one is the ghost or very weak. For example, a peace agreement when both sides were afraid of a renewed conflict. Sinuwas is kanang very weak. Kanang, for example, is kanang you are a attorney or attorney nga nakay kaso nga gihawakan tas wakay ka lang ay nakay ebidensya pero hinay ra siya, very weak ang imong ebidensya, that is tenuous. The last one is vindictive. Adjective, seeking revenge or vengeful. For example, as the vindictive woman plotted to ruin her ex-husband's life. Vindictive is kanang seeking revenge or nakahipagdumot sa katawo nga gusto ka mo bawas anak niya. That is vindictive. And so of my representation,